screen really nice. Save one on GR3.
Alright.
Yep, here it comes. Right here.
Yep.
Oh yeah, shit, it's hailing. I see it bouncing across the road.
And the circulation.
It's being thrown out of the fucking...
Yeah, it is. Yeah, look to
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Look to your left, dude.
Get like a November tornado with a freaking rainbow.
Tornado.
Holy shit.
That's a huge tornado, dude. Keep going.
I got it.
Huge tornado.
Big tornado.
Large tornado on the ground. My Roanoke. Just west of Roanoke.
Yep. Big motion.
Wow, large
big
tornado.
Big hail falling too.
Large tornado on the ground.
Holy smokes.
Wow, golf balls falling in a big tornado. Holy cow. Wow.
I don't even... Yep, big tornado.
Oh shit.
This is serious.
Wow. We should drop a report.
Yeah.
Are you getting footage of it?
Yep.
Alright, I'm trying to too, yeah. Things getting wrapped up, man.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, look at the mezzo above it. You can see the hail and the rain wrapping all the way around it.
Oh, oh.
Wow! That's a huge tornado.
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful. Yeah, look, dude, look at the face, man. Look at them. Oh my
Holy
god.
shit.
Dude, holy
You know,
crap. Yeah, dude,
Stop.
hey, let's
I'm gonna
just
stop at
and
the next
film.
view.
Yeah, let's stop and film, man. This thing's gonna be coming. Oh my god. Oh my god, Adam. Adam, this is amazing, dude. Holy crap, dude.
Right here, right
Dude,
here.
yeah, it's gonna cross in front of us.
Oh my god.
I gotta get out. Because autofocus. Shit. Hail's falling on me, dude. Yeah, do it. Absolutely beautiful, man. Is that coming toward us? Looks like it might be, dude. Dude, listen to it. Is it really? Oh, dude, it is, man.
Send in report. Alright.
Do you want to? Yeah.
I'm
do you
gonna
want
whip around.
just a little bit? I mean, not like too fast, because this thing might. Yeah, we don't want to get in a bad spot. Be careful, man.
I'm sort of viewing it from... I'm not gonna go east.
Yeah, man. Are we good here?
Yeah, we're good here.
Sure?
Look at the direction of the wind. It's blowing towards it. Alright. Plus my back window blows out again.
This is incredible. Shit, dude. Wow.
Alright, it's gonna cross.
I would back up just in case, man. That's pretty strong.
You want me to turn around and bail west? I will.
Shit, dude.
It's just hail. It's hail.
Yeah, but your window might blow out again.
I'll turn around. I'll let the windshield.
Holy shit.
Alright.
No, dude, you're fine. Yeah.
Just get the video.
The inflow sucking into the tornado. It's crossing the road right in front of us.
I'm gonna let you film, alright?
Alright.
Okay, see it? It's fast.
Yeah.
See how it's clearing up?
Yeah.
Now we can go back east.
Well, let me check this out.
Oh, there it goes. It's finally going.
Just taking a quick pan on this.